Hello Live Wires, Heather Boyd Wire here, and today it's Tip Tuesday. Today I'm making wire flower stud earrings. I have my flat pliers, round pliers, flush cutters, a burr tool, some little beads, sterling wire, and some stud backs. We're going to start with about 6 inches of the 20 gauge wire. I am just going to use my smallest round nose pliers, and using the tip of the pliers I am going to form the circles. We need 6 circles, and we are going to make a round formation to form the petals of the flower. This wire is a half hard wire. You can use either 20 or 22 gauge depending on the quality of your wire. I like the Argentium Silver wire because it tarnishes less than sterling silver. I will link up all the materials in the description below the video. So we're just going around in the circle making our little loops. And then we can go ahead and bend one end up and then make sure we curve them around to form a closed circle. We're just going to keep bringing them around with our round pliers, just adjusting the curve to make sure they're even, bringing the wire around to the back. So that's our shape, and we're going to bend the other end around the top, one turn around, and then we're going to hold it with our thumb and bend the wire straight down. And I'm just opening up the space a little bit at the bottom, adjusting with my flat pliers. And then I'm taking a small bead. This is like a 3mm bead. You can also use a 4mm bead. And I'm going to take the end and just bend it straight back. From there, I'll take my Xeron flush cutters and clip the end flush. And then take the Xeron tweezer nose pliers and pinch in that little pokey end. Adjust the little loops if you need. Just press them a little bit so they're even. Let's go around gently. And then we're going to take the other end and bend it straight back. Just give it a good little push back there. Straight to the back. And then at the center point, we're going to bend it perpendicular at a right angle. Just get those tweezer nose pliers right in there and give it a good right angle bend. Push it in and adjust it as you need to make it nice and sharp. Now clip that to about a 1/4 inch, a little longer depending on your earlobe. And then we're going to get the burr tool and just file it to soften it up. And there is the stud. And if you want the loops to be even smaller, if your round nose pliers aren't small enough, a little hack is to start the circle, and then you're going to get your flat nose pliers and push it in a little bit, and that compacts the little loop to make it a little bit smaller. So this is just a good little trick if your round nose pliers aren't as fine as you'd like them to be. Just start that curve and pinch it in a wee bit, and that'll just make it a little bit smaller. Another way to make the circle smaller is just to start forming them with your round pliers and then hold the end and give it a little tug, and that will tighten up the little loop, and then we'll do another one beside there. Just bring the wire around, and then you can just hold the end and tighten it. And we'll do another one. Just bring the wire around, and make sure you don't go all the way to the other side, because you want some wiggle room just to tighten it up like that. So there we have some other studs with the smaller loops and both pairs to compare them. So thanks so much for watching the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for lots more wire art and jewelry making videos. And if you'd like to share photos of your wire art and jewelry, be sure to join the Wire Makers Club on Facebook. And if you'd like to check out my work on Etsy, my husband and I specialize in custom wedding cake toppers and funky jewelry. I also have a mailing list, so if you'd like to sign up below, I'll send you my Wire Art Essentials ebook. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you the next time.